Hey guys, what's going on? It's Anthony here. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to stabilize video footage in Final Cut Pro. Final Cut Pro has an amazing stabilization feature built into it. Honestly, I've been pretty surprised with how well this feature works. So I'm gonna show you guys right here. I have a vlog that I'm editing. I have this handheld shot that I shot with my Panasonic GH5. Now here is the shot right here. As you can see, it is a little bit shaky. It could definitely use some stabilizing. So what you want to do is select on the shot that you want stabilized, or if you want multiple shots stabilized, hold down the command key on your keyboard and select the shots that you want stabilized. Now in this case, I only want this one clip right here. So once we have that selected, we're gonna go up here to our inspector tool. We're gonna go to this tab right here that looks like a film strip, show the video inspector. And right down here, you're gonna see an option for stabilization. Just select that. So as you can see guys, it says analyzing for dominant motion. And if we go up here and we select on this circle, it'll show us under transcoding and analysis, the progress. I would suggest letting go of your mouse and letting the Mac do its thing. So anyway guys, once the clip is done stabilizing, you can go ahead and play it back. So this is what it looks like. Pretty good. And here's a side by side showing you how well of a job it did. So yeah guys, that is how you stabilize a clip in Final Cut Pro. If you like today's video, please give it a thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button to be updated when I make more tutorials, vlogs, drone videos. I make all kinds of content on the channel. I noticed you guys have really been watching my tutorials, so I definitely want to make more of those for you. Expect a lot more tutorials coming on Final Cut Pro, Lightroom, pretty much anything editing related. I love editing and it's a major part of the video creation process. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.